Is it time to buy or sell GameStop stock? In this video, we are diving deep into GameStop. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 11th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of October, 2024, our system has classified GameStop as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this time. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, with a gain of nearly 20% since we first recommended purchasing GameStop 11 days ago. This equates to an average return of approximately 2% per day since it was rated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next move, as it may go in either direction. The stock has broken through a wide and weak rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. For any potential pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling of the recently broken trend at $24.64, a level that may present a second opportunity for a significant rise. According to fan theory, $29.45 is anticipated to be the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance that might not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 2.3% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 25.58% to negative 7.53%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 27.53% over the next year, with a potential return between negative 22.03% and 155.69%. This results in a projected price range from $21.25 to $69.70 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for GameStop features the headline, "Significant Movements in GameStop Stock Price on Monday, Fluctuating 13.86% between the high and low." On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 11th of November, 2024, the GameStop stock price increased by 9.51%, moving from $24.89 to $27.26. This marks 5 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 13.86%, ranging from a low of $24.63 to a high of $28.04. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has appreciated by 19.92% over the past 2 weeks. Moreover, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 10 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 25 million shares changed hands for approximately $684,390,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $64.83, while the lowest price was $9.95. Currently, the price stands 57.96%, or $37.57 below the 52-week high, and 94.36%, or $455.74 below the all-time high recorded on January 28, 2021, when the price peaked at $483. GameStop stock is currently experiencing a notable upward trajectory, with shares on track to secure their longest winning streak in 4 months, having risen for 5 consecutive days as of November 11th, 2024. This positive momentum is partly attributed to CEO Ryan Cohen's recent optimism regarding a significant political development, which has spurred investor interest and confidence, contributing to the rally. In just a few weeks, the stock has shifted significantly from a period of decline where it underperformed in the market, showcasing volatility, but now presenting a potential turnaround that could appeal to both retail and institutional investors. As the stock was previously trading at significant discounts, the recent upswing could entice bargain hunters, suggesting a reevaluation of GameStop's investment case. The company's strategic pivot towards the trading card market marks a promising future direction, leveraging its healthy cash reserves and low debt levels, over $4 billion in cash, to explore new revenue streams. This diversification could mitigate risks associated with declining video game sales. Investors will be closely watching how these developments unfold, as they can significantly influence both market perception and stock valuation moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 17th of May, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned GameStop a underperform rating along with a hold action. On Monday, the 25th of March, 2024, it was again reported that Wedbush gave GameStop a underperform rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of September, 2022, it was reported that Raymond James assigned GameStop a neutral rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 18th of August, 2022, it was reported that Wedbush assigned GameStop a underperform rating with a downgrade action. On Friday, the 22nd of July, 2022, it was reported that Wedbush gave GameStop a underperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to GameStop stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral, and the price-to-book ratio is also deemed neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock with a sell recommendation. The following signals have been identified for GameStop. The GameStop stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support can be expected at $23.77 and $22. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was activated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 32.96%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal, recorded 24 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, observed 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, also noted 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, identified 11 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average buy signal, recognized 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, seen 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, detected 53 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for GameStop. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $23.92 and $21.85. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support point. In this scenario, GameStop finds support just below today's level at $23.92. If this level is breached, the next support based on accumulated volume will be at $21.85 and $20.64. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with favorable trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.41 between its high and low, which represents a change of 13.86%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 6.95%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for GameStop, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of December, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates predict a loss of 3 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for GameStop. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could rise rapidly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, GameStop faces its first support level at $23.92. If this support level holds, it could be an opportune entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for GameStop from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of October in the year 2024, Daniel William conducted an insider sale of 2,624 shares of Class A common stock. On the 10th of October in the year 2024, Robinson Mark Haymond conducted an insider sale of 11,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 7th of October in the year 2024, Daniel William conducted an insider sale of 2,376 shares of Class A common stock. On the 2nd of October in the year 2024, Daniel William conducted an insider sale of 1,972 shares of Class A common stock. On the 2nd of October in the year 2024, Robinson Mark Haymond conducted an insider sale of 4,667 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 34.133. Overall, insiders purchased 991,389 shares and sold 2,237,924 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $26.34, reflecting a decrease of 3.36%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 83, significantly heightening the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 23 days ago. Is GameStop stock a good buy? GameStop presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient for a buying recommendation. At its current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning either to hold or accumulate while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation of this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 12th of November, we anticipate that GameStop will open lower by approximately 61.6 cents and commence trading at $26.64. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Decisions regarding investments should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.